In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. Now, through the Phantom Wallet app itself, there is no option to do this. So there will be a different step you need to take, and in total there are 3 steps, so make sure to watch until the end of this video and that you follow every single step so that you can actually do this. So first you want to go and open up Phantom Wallet, and in Phantom Wallet go and click on the Send button from the home screen. There you will see all of the tokens you have. For this example, I'll use Solana. And then at the top you will see 2 and it says username or address. Here you need to enter an address for an exchange. So you need to use a centralized exchange. So just choose a reputable exchange such as Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, KuCoin, etc. For this example, I will be using Kraken. And on pretty much every exchange it works the same. You need to create an account and complete the KYC if you haven't done it yet. Then find your deposit address, which you can usually do by clicking on deposit or transfer, and then click deposit. And from there just find the same cryptocurrency. So for me it's Solana, so I'll search Solana right here. Then you will find your copy address, so go and copy it. And then simply paste in the wallet address on Phantom Wallet and then click next. Now choose how much you would like to send, for example do 0.05 Solana, then click next. Then here you have the overview. From there just click send. And then now it is being sent to my Kraken wallet, so just wait for it to finish here. And then depending on the network and currency it can take a few minutes, but I'll just wait for it to be deposited so that you can see that it works. So you can see right here in my activity that it is pending right now, but here I have the Solana deposit. So now that you have withdrawn it to a centralized exchange, from there what you want to do on the exchange is sell the cryptocurrency. You can do that by clicking on trade or on the cryptocurrency itself and then click sell. Then just select the cryptocurrency. For this example I'll use Bitcoin since the Solana is still pending, and for this example I'll use €5. Then just confirm, and now you have sold it for your fiat currency, which for me is euro. For you it could be US dollar, for example. In the meantime you can see it has been deposited. Now from there you can then click transfer again and then click withdraw. And from there you can now withdraw your euro, US dollar, whatever you use, and just enter your bank account details and then click continue. And from there click withdraw, and then it will be withdrawn to your bank account. So those are the 3 steps you need to take to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.